Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Bluetooth related issues. For example, Bluetooth is not working, not connecting or pairing. All those issues we can fix. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon. Go to connection and sharing. Select reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Tap on this reset settings button. Tap on OK. Now reset operation is in progress. Please wait. Okay, done. Now we can see the message network settings have been reset. This way we can reset network settings and fix all Bluetooth related issues. After this reset operation, we can try to connect one Bluetooth device to this phone. That should work. Using this operation, we can also fix issues in the mobile data and Wi-Fi. So this way we can reset network settings and fix all Bluetooth related issues. Please check it.